Hello friends, today we are going to decode why most of the people fail. I am changing the words, but the essence will remain same. So what we will understand, we will decode how to achieve success. What is the secret formula of success? Do you want success in your life? I know the obvious answer is yes. So please watch this video attentively and carefully. When you aspire for success, when you take a goal, you have two choices. What are those two choices? You will go either this way or that way. What is this way? You will make efforts. The second choice, that is that way, you don't make efforts. And I know that you are listening to this video, it means you do not belong to second category. You belong to the category where you make efforts, right? So I'm going to eliminate this second option. When you make efforts, again you have two choices. What are those two choices when you make efforts? You have two choices. The choice number one is you get success, and the choice number two is you get failure. Now our objective here is to work in such a way that there will be no scope for the failure. After watching this video, you will start working to kick out failure from your life and ensure success. And I believe that everybody aspires for this. So are you ready? Now listen my words carefully, because you are going to get the secret formula of success. Your success depends on two things. Number one, skill set, and number two, mindset. If you have a skill set and lag in mindset, your success will be limited. In most of the cases, you will fail. Your inner voice will stop you and create hurdles in your way to success. Can I do it? So you will become victim of your own mentality. This is what happens with most of the people. On the other side, if you have right mindset, and even if you lag in skill set, your chances of achieving your goal are much higher. Right mindset means you are resourceful. So you will create all the resources and a skill set required for the success. Your mindset has more than 80% role in success, and a skill set has only 20% role. Now don't catch the percentage and understand the learning for you. Work on your mindset along with the skill set for achieving success. If you create this right mindset, your success is ensured. So please work on your mindset from today. Now read this research. Read it carefully. I'm taking pause of 2 seconds. 85% of your financial success is due to your personality and ability to communicate, negotiate, and lead. Shockingly, only 15% is due to technical knowledge. What is technical knowledge? It is your skill set. And ironically, most of the people focus on skill set and forget to work on mindset. This is the reason that they create limited success even after being a dab hand in their area. Hope it will blow up your mind and you will start working on your mindset. $1,000,000 question now is how to work on mindset. Today I am introducing you to a science that is called neuro-linguistic programming. I call it science of mind programming. I have made few videos and links are given in the description box. Watch them one by one. We will go step by step. Magic will not happen in one day, but I can guarantee you that magic will happen. You will learn how to improve and work on your mindset, and then you will eliminate failure from your life and you will ensure success. Let us go step by step and transform our life. If you feel that this video added values for you, then please don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned. Have a healthy and bright future.